outside the station in an area called Ameya-Yokochō, and I am filming a video for work here, so I thought I would take you guys along with me and just show you the area. It's a pretty cool place. As you can see, there are lots of people here. It's definitely a touristy spot, but there's lots to see, even if you're not into the touristy kind of stuff. So yeah, let's go. Tons of places to go shopping. This is a huge shoe store, one of several that you can find here. And the prices are a little better than other areas of Tokyo. If you guys are fans of seafood, you can get any kind of seafood here, and it's all super fresh and pretty awesome prices. I will show you some of the kinds of things that they sell here. Lots of foreign foods are also on sale here, so if you're looking for some foreign ingredients, you can find them in Ameyoko. Pretty yummy. We found this indoor alleyway kind of thing with lots of different shops again, lots of clothing stores, belts. There seem to be lots of belts. I'm looking for a pair of runners. I want some white shoes, but I haven't been able to find any that I like yet.
Army stores.